You're on the bus heading to work. The seat next to you is empty, but the noise around you isn't. You put on your headphones, press play, and for the next 50 minutes, the commute stops feeling like a commute. The first thing that changed my mind about the Basike BA-FON-002 was the audio output. After testing it across many songs in different volume levels, the low frequencies, the mid-range, and the high frequencies all show up clearly, even at full volume. The low frequencies are not as deep as you would find in headphones that cost 3 or 4 times more, but for what you pay, they are more than acceptable. The overall sound output handles daily listening very well, and that sound only makes sense when the headphones stay on your head without causing discomfort. The headphone is light, flexible enough for daily use, and the headband padding is sufficient to keep things comfortable over long sessions. In the first day or two, there was a small adjustment period, but after that, it stopped being noticeable. The earpads are made of fabric, which might not feel as soft as memory foam, but they seal the outside sound surprisingly well. That passive isolation was honestly one of the most unexpected positives here. With the right volume level and that seal working in your favor, the listening experience feels more complete than the price suggests. The battery reaches up to 50 hours of use, depending on your volume habits. At 70 to 80% volume, you get the full autonomy. At maximum volume, it will be a little less. When it runs out, a full charge takes around 2 hours, which is a short wait for that kind of battery life. The internal microphone handles quick calls and basic video meetings. It picks up your voice and the environment around you, so for short and straightforward conversations, it works. For anything more demanding, like recording content or professional calls where audio quality matters, you will want something better suited for that purpose. The Bluetooth connection, running on version 5.1, held stable throughout daily use. The real tested range sits at around 5 meters, which covers most indoor situations without issues. It does not support multiple point connection, meaning it connects to one device at a time. Switching between devices is quick, but only one stays active. If your day involves commuting, working at a desk, or just moving through a routine where you want music or calls handled without friction, the headphone fits that role well. At a price between approximately $23 and $34, it competes honestly for what it offers. If you want to take the next step with active noise cancellation, the Basike BA-FON-003 is worth your attention, and I have a full review on the channel for you to check out. So that was my complete review. If this review helped you make a decision, the affiliate links are in the description. No extra cost to you, and it goes directly toward keeping this channel running with honest, detailed content. See you in the next one.